Now we're going to create another table. So we go to following. This is equal to this. Okay, I'm gonna drag, so we create another calculation table, and again, okay, this is equal to this, and I'm gonna drag. Okay, I'm gonna get, okay, the amount divided by the maximum amount plus the duration divided by the maximum duration. Okay, then we have a correction like this. Okay, sorry, not no, it's multiplied by 100. So I get like this. Okay, you can also choose the sorry, I need to do some absolute reference here. This one, the red has to be absolute reference and the green has to be absolute reference. Okay, or I can give a name to the range. T. Okay, and then we're going to make it like this. So change this comparison between this and the target. Okay, divided by 50. Okay, so I get basically this percentage. This one is one target, and then I have the other target. Okay, these are the targets. If I calculate the average of this, okay, that is 86. I want to copy this and I want to put this here as a value. This is target, okay, score, and this is the target. Okay, so I'm going to do this. This is the average, average. Okay, I can also do like this. Okay, this is average. Okay, or let's say that I want to do it. Okay, and I want to 87 or 85 as target. Okay, so I'm going and then I include here also text or whatever you want, or box here. Your target is, okay, yes, no fill. Okay, shape outline, no. Product. Okay, your target is, okay, so this format, home, this target. Okay, I'm going to format this. Okay, something like this. I'm gonna take this as it is. I can also type this out as a label. I don't need this anymore. Okay, your target is, and then it's, okay, 85. Your score is, okay, make like this equal to calculations, this one. Okay, then you can type here a text, yeah, for example. Improve, okay, string. So okay, great. And then you can do a conditional formatting here, manage roles, new rule, manage on the values. Okay, formula value is great, the color is okay. I'm gonna edit the rule, sorry, the cell value is equal to great. I'm gonna make it this in bold, and the color is this green. Okay, then add a new rule. So it's like great, and the format is color is red. Okay, so here we are. Okay, let's say that your target is try to improve, you see. Then of course you're gonna do this, and you're gonna maybe modify this. We have this here, for example. Okay, so to manage this, and then make this smaller. Okay, this is smaller as well, like this. Okay, so we created a very nice dashboard where we have also your target is, you can home increase this if you want. Okay, make it like this according to the score. We calculate the score here, and now we have, this is the average, and these are the values of the score. We can also show the scores here. I can also show here the average of this one, AVG. Okay, so then I'm going to my dashboard here. I'm going to select data, add, okay, score, and this one is this. Okay, okay, but I'm going to change this now. Okay, chart type, I'm going to use combo, cluster. Okay, all these are cluster, and this one is this line. Okay, score and edit. The range for this is okay. Then I needed to change this, and this okay, our I'm gonna, okay, the color is this one, the marker, okay, marker options, solid fill, okay, and the color is red, the border is also red. Okay, so we create our line, as you can see here, with all the scores. You can also continue using other, including other checkboxes for other products, or you can reduce the number of products here. This score, if you see, okay, that's it. So I can also decide to have the score. I can also decide to have the score displayed or not, and I'm going to do the following. Okay, I'm gonna say true. So if this, I'm going to display this, otherwise I'm going to display not applicable. Okay, absolute reference with that. Okay, until I copy paste this. Okay, include also another checkbox. I can copy this, paste this here, put it at the end. Okay, score. Okay, then I'm gonna do it like this, put it here. Okay, okay. go to this and then find another way to calculate an average, ignore error. Okay, so basically you just keep all this and then you get the score. Okay, or you may decide to have the scores here calculated, okay, in a way that you're going to ignore change the value to like this. Okay, we're going to type here this is equal to this one, and you're going to do this. Well, the same is for this, and this one is equal to if NA this, you type 0, otherwise you type this. Okay, if NA, sorry, here I'm going to eliminate product 2. You can see here that nothing happens. Okay, because now I'm referring to something that is completely out. Now I can do that directly on the table above, equal to, so the average, I can do like this. The average is evaluated not on this, but is evaluated on this. Okay, so now it's different. Okay, and this one is now equal to average of this one. Okay, we have a completely different situation now, so this does not change, so the score remains the same. Okay, here we are. Now you can add other products if you want. Okay, so this was an example. You can also change this with this color, for example. Okay, you can change all this and do in a way that you want, and here we are, we created our dashboard. Okay, you can also add other values, just like this. Okay, I hope you enjoyed this session, and let's see another dashboard.